looking cute. I ain't gonna hold y'all. The curls is looking cute. Hey y'all, I am back at it showing y'all how I'm taking care of my short natural 4C hair. So we're starting off with the co-wash. I'm using Miss Jessie's Don't Want No Studs Conditioning Co-Wash Cleanser. This is a great daily cleanser just to get out all, like the product buildup from the week, the dirt from the air that done flew in your hair from the week, just all that stuff, getting it out your hair. So I do like that this product has a lot of no ingredients. There's no sulfates, no mineral oils, no parabens, no suds, no animal testing, no animal ingredients. So this is a really good product if you're looking for a co-wash, and don't take much. You just wet your hair, use the product, really get on up in there, and then go ahead and put a towel on your hair. So for our curling, we are using My Black is Beautiful Hydrating Curl Cream. I have used this product before when my hair was longer, and I absolutely love it. Now we're going to start off with oiling the scalp. We're going to use the Blue Magic Conditioning Hair. It's oil, dagnabbit. It's hair oil, okay? So definitely used to use this growing up. Now I done started back using it again, and I'll tell y'all something. My scalp ain't been dry. My scalp ain't been dry like it was before. So shout out to Blue Magic. It's been around for decades. Okay, so start off by parting my hair in little sections and then applying the curl cream from the roots to the ends and then using my little fake denim brush. It's a rubber brush that I got from the beauty supply store, and it's doing the Lord's work on these curls, okay? So oil that scalp, man. Don't forget to oil your scalp so you don't face these dry scalp issues. Go ahead and apply the curl cream to your hair from the roots to the ends, and then use your denim brush to really accentuate your curls. So what we do to one part of the hair, we do to the other. I started in the back, and then I was like, okay, let me come to the front so y'all can see what's going on in the front. And as you can see, my roots are growing out. That means my hair is growing, okay? So I'm starting to see black hair again, so that's how I know my hair is growing. And I cut my hair, I did a big chop about... Dang, I'm like, we 2 months into the big chop now. So shout out to the little bit of growth we see happening. Y'all, guess what? I'm about to get some individual braids in my hair. So make sure y'all subscribe to my channel so we can see how this gonna work on my short 4C hair. So I want some long braids in the middle of my hair and then my sides shaved down. That's what I'm gonna get done. This is gonna be a great vacation hairstyle. I'm going somewhere soon. My annual solo trip is coming up. So make sure you subscribe to my channel again so you can see all this lifestyle content, because I want to show y'all what it's like to live in my shoes, okay? In my shoes. So anyways, back to the hair and the curls and getting them to pop. It's really, about product application and using that brush to really bring out your curls. So now that I'm done, you see a lot of the curl cream. It is going to dry eventually. I'm just taking the leftovers and applying them to the sides of my hair, which are growing out. Oof, y'all, I cannot wait for a haircut because I don't like when they grow out too much. I mean, it looks cute. Once I brush it, it's fine, but I prefer my sides to be lower than this. And make sure you get yourself a handheld mirror, or if you got a side mirror, that's cool. But you gotta look at the back of your hair. Look at the back of your hair. Make sure you brush the back of your hair too, because we can't see back there, and we can't count on people to tell us what's going on in the back of our hair. So it's up to us to use either a handheld mirror or whatever you have to look at the back of your hair before you go out in these streets. Okay. I'm gonna go do my makeup and see how this dries. Okay, y'all. It's been an hour, and I'm still waiting on this curl cream to dry. I do need to film some other content, and I ain't got about 2 hours for this to dry. Now the curls is looking cute. I ain't gonna hold y'all. The curls is looking cute, but I'm gonna have to rub the cream in so my hair don't look too crazy. For this other content I'm going to shoot, make sure y'all follow me on Instagram, So Models, for reels and photos. And also follow Shaded by So, my stylish protective eyewear line. Got something coming up new soon, so check us out on Instagram. Okay, all right, I'm gonna be back and show y'all what this look like when it fully dries, which is hopefully soon, but I'm gonna make it work for this video I'm about to shoot. All right, I'll be back. All right, y'all, so it's almost 2 hours later. The hair, you know, the curls is curling, the curl cream is still, you know, absorbent into the hair. I did use quite a bit of hair cream, so it is taking a lot longer than I expected for it to absorb into my hair. It's all good, but overall, I do like this curl cream. How does it make my hair look different than using curling gel? Make sure you check out my other video where I use curling gel to make my curls pop. I think this is more of a like natural texture look. I feel like with the gel, it looked like my hair was more, it was more like a softer curl pop look. This is more like, oh, she got something like the natural kinks is up in there, which is, kinks is cute. It's kinky and curly, okay? It's kinky and curly. So it's giving more of that look, which I'm fine with. Also, my hair is growing a little bit. My hair is growing, the size is growing. So, you know, the style does look a little different. Nonetheless, I think this curl cream works well to get your curls popping. I mean, it's the same method of using the fake Denman brush to get the product through the hair and to see it curl. And the wetter the hair, the better. That is my tip. If you are using these products to curl your hair being wet, I think the better the results. As y'all see, I didn't leave, as y'all can see, I didn't use a leave-in conditioner because I didn't want to have like two products trying to work together and they may not work together and it messes up the flow. So I just want to show y'all how it is after fresh washed hair, how the product works in the hair. So I definitely suggest the My Black is Beautiful curling cream because it's doing a thing. Maybe just don't use as much as me, especially if you're like in a time crunch for the product to absorb in your hair. I'd say use less product and you'll be all good. You ain't on a time crunch, use as much product as you want. The next day it's gonna absorb and you'll be fine, okay? All right, y'all, so thank you so much for tuning into this video. Comment below on any other hair products you guys wanna see me use to bring out the 4C coils, to really enhance them, okay? All right, I'll see y'all in the next video. Hey, and if you wanna know what I was shooting while I look like this, make sure you follow me on Instagram. So models, models. All right, that wasn't as clean as I wanted it to be, so you know, we'll try again next time. And hey, you love these sunglasses? They're from Shaded by So, my stylish protective eyewear line. Make sure you follow my business Instagram page too. It is Shaded by So. I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.